Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network issues. Open Settings app, tap on this icon, then select Connection and Sharing, then go down, then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Then tap on this button, Reset Settings. This operation reset Wi-Fi settings, mobile data settings and Bluetooth settings. It also delete mobile data settings, then it automatically create a new working mobile data setting, so that way we can fix network or internet related issues. Let me tap on OK. Okay, done. Network settings has been reset. So this way we can reset network settings and fix network related issues.